Dakota, where's the boy? Time to wake the boy up. Where is he? Huh? I think I see him somewhere over here. Dakota, get the boy. Time to wake him up. Where is he? Where is he? Do you see the boy? Oh, he's wiggling. He's wiggling. Go get him. Oh, do you see his face? Where's the face? I see a face. Where's the boy? What are you looking at? Hey, who's outside? Huh? Where's the boy? You waking him up? Say good morning. Time to say good morning. No, not gonna do it now, huh? Where's the boy? Get the boy. Get the boy. There he is. Hi. Good morning. There he is. Good morning. Time to get up. Wakey, wakey. I'm videotaping you. Wakey, wakey. Oh, yes. Wake him up. Oh, stretch. Careful.
He's going to knock me off the bed.
Oh, time to get you. Whoa. Careful.
What the hell?
Hey, what'd you just say?
Nothing.
That's how you wake him up, huh, Dakota? Whoop. Careful. Now don't let him back in. There, he's getting back in. Dakota, he's trying to go back to sleep. Go get him. Don't step on him. Go on. He's trying to go back to sleep. Is he going back to sleep? Get him. Wake him up. Oh, I think he's up. Okay. Oh, careful, you two. All right, good girl.